video. Don't touch me! Get out of my face!
You need to calm down.
You need to get away from me!
I'm not touching you.
You just touched my phone! You just touched me! You blocked it into my face!
I did block
It did! It hit my face! Get away from me! Get away! Oh my god! What is your guys' problem? You guys need to be trained! Sensitivity training! What? What the f***? Oh my god, Brendan! Ah! I just need the toilet seat cleaned! I need to use the restroom! He put hands on me, Brendan! Multiple times! I have it on video. You guys are done! Why are you guys making it worse on yourselves?
Alright.
Yes, public freak out. Christopher Walken on Instagram. Thank you. Thank you. Lawyers, hit me up. We're gonna get this Hawaiian Airlines money. Hey, bro. Oh,
have a seat.
Don't touch me.
Have
Don't
a seat.
touch
I
me.
told you to remain seated.
Back the up.
Remain seated.
I just wanted your badge, bro. Don't touch
All you
me.
gotta do is ask. It's
Bet.
20.
Thank you.
Okay.
But don't touch me again.
You're not gonna
I've
get
been
my face.
raped. I've been molested. I've been bruised, beaten, all that. Don't fucking touch me.
Okay.
The
How am I supposed to know that?
Well, now you know. Don't touch me. It's never okay to touch me.
I told you
Even
to
if you
remain
didn't
seated.
know. Even if you didn't know, don't touch me. Don't touch a girl
Did
like
I-
that.
did I not?
Don't touch a girl like that. Don't touch a girl like that.
Okay, whatever.
You're done. You're wrong. I'm not wrong. What's your name, sir?
Deputy Claudia Boyd.
Your voice is like butter, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. They won't let me go. I just was disrespected on the plane. I'm gonna call the ADA. I'm gonna get a lawyer. I'm gonna sue these motherfuckers. Won't let me go. Like I did something wrong. I didn't do wrong. The story of my life. Let me go. I just want to see my nieces. My mom doesn't need to see this. No one needs to see this. I didn't do wrong.
Give me water.
Okay?
Okay. Aqua, water, water. You're a fucking idiot. Off, then fuck off from me. I'm not interested. And I'm gonna push you over.
Tried it? Tried it?
Here's the water. I asked for water for 2 hours. After 2 hours? Wow, thank you. Thank you so much.
God damn it! Who does that to a woman like me? Who? Get me out of this fucked up place! You rapist!
What?
Get me out of here! Get me out of here! I'm gun on me because I'm homeless! Get me out!
She's a gun. She had a gun. She said that. Yeah, she said that. She did. She said a gun. Yeah.